Hey, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to our Knowledge Junction channel. Today, we have an electrifying episode in store for you as we dive into the world of electric cars and modified Tesla models. From their eco-friendly features to mind-boggling specifications, we'll explore why these vehicles are taking the automotive industry by storm. So, buckle up and let's get started. The rise of electric cars have been gaining popularity at an astonishing rate. We'll discuss the environmental benefits, including reduced carbon emissions and cleaner air quality. With advancements in battery technology, these vehicles have longer driving ranges and faster charging times. We'll also touch upon the financial incentives and cost savings associated with owning an electric car. Tesla, a trailblazer in the electric car industry. When it comes to electric cars, one name stands out from the crowd: Tesla. We'll provide a brief history of Tesla, highlighting their mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Tesla's commitment to innovation has resulted in cutting-edge technology and groundbreaking features. Unleashing the power of modified Tesla now, let's take things up a notch and explore modified Tesla models. From performance enhancements to unique visual modifications, car enthusiasts have been pushing the boundaries of what's possible with these electric vehicles. We'll showcase some jaw-dropping examples, including customized exteriors, upgraded interiors, and mind-blowing powertrain modifications. The specifications that make Tesla unique host. Tesla vehicles are renowned for their impressive specifications. We'll break down the key features that set them apart, including range and battery technology. Tesla's cutting-edge battery technology allows for longer driving ranges, making them suitable for daily commutes and long-distance travel. Acceleration and speed. Tesla cars are known for their instant torque and blistering acceleration. We'll explore the mind-boggling 0 to 60 miles per hour times and top speeds of various Tesla models. Autopilot and full self-driving capabilities. Tesla's autopilot feature brings us closer to autonomous driving. We'll discuss the current capabilities and future potential of Tesla's self-driving technology. Supercharger network. Tesla's supercharger network provides fast and convenient charging options for Tesla owners, enabling them to embark on long road trips with ease. The future of electric cars and Tesla host. As electric cars continue to gain traction, we'll discuss the future prospects and advancements in the industry. From improved battery technology to increased charging infrastructure, we'll explore what lies ahead for electric vehicles and the impact Tesla may have in shaping this future. And there you have it, folks, a captivating journey through the world of electric cars and modified Tesla models. From their environmental benefits to mind-blowing specifications, it's clear that the future of transportation is electric. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.